and welcome to Tactical Headsets. When using the tactical headset, it is important to make sure that the microphone is in contact with your neck skin. To make sure it is, simply place it around your neck and secure it in place using the fixed strap. Depending on your voice, you might have to alter the position slightly, but generally speaking, somewhere below your ear is perfect. The ear speakers have an SNR value of 25 decibels, so once you insert them, it should be really nice and quiet. And as you can see, the whole cabinet should be inside the ear. When using the tactical headset, speak at a normal volume to get the best optimal audio. The tactical headset uses two different types of extensions, so use the correct one depending on your neck size. Would you have a longer one and a shorter one, and you simply pull them straight out and push the new one in place. And you can also bend the neckband slightly to make it a smaller diameter. You also get two different sizes of earplugs. The red is the large one, and we also have the yellow, which is a medium size. It is important to choose the one that gets it nice and quiet. And to change the earplugs, you simply pull them straight out and just push the new ones right on. And if you don't use protective gear, you could use the headset without the fixed strap. Just make sure that it's always in contact with the neck skin. Thank you.